Okay, here is a video to show you how to start working on your food planning document. So I just pulled up the Cliff Bar chocolate chip, and again, you can get nutritional information about a lot of foods online. So here's some information about it. So in here it says that the serving size is 1 bar and it's 68 grams. So I would come over here and I would put Cliff Choco chip, serving size 68 grams. Say I was going to eat 2 of these in a day for my snacks. Remember, this is Tuesday. You're going to plan differently for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm just working on Tuesday right now. So say I was going to have 2 bars in a day. Calories per serving, I'd go over here. It says that the calories per serving are 260. So then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go 260. Okay. Because I'm going to have 2 of these, I'm going to say equals this times this. There you go. So that would be the total calories I was getting from Cliff Bars in a day. Caloric density, we're looking at calories per gram. So I'm actually going to do the calories in 1 serving divided by the grams in 1 serving, so I get a good ratio there. Grams of fat per day. And remember, I'm having 2 servings. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to look at the grams of fat in 1 serving, and I will see that the total fat is 7 grams. That's in 1 bar. So I'm going to come over here. Oops, sorry, wrong place. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say equals 2 times 7. So then the calories, there's 9 calories for every gram, so I'm going to say equals this times 9. So 126 calories are coming from fat. Now I'm going to do grams of carbs. So come over here, we've got fat, trans fat, unsaturated fat, cholesterol, blah, blah, total carbs, 42 grams of carbs. Okay. So then I'm going to come over to here and I'm going to say equals 42 times 2. Remember, I'm doing 2 bars, right? And then calories per day for carbs is going to be equals this times 4. Okay. That's got to be right. Oh, no, that's right. That's right. Yep. Okay, and then protein. So then we'll flip over here until protein. You're kind of getting the jet. It's 10 grams of protein. That's pretty good. So I'm going to say equals 10 times 2, right, of protein. And then calories, we're going to say equals this times 4. And then there's some other information you're going to get in here that you're just going to take straight off of the list because it does have stuff about sodium. And it'll have some other nutritional information. Look at the teeny print down here. You might have to look at the teeny print on some of these to get in the A, C, iron, whatever. So that's how I'm going to do that. And I'm going to have to do that for a number of foods that I would eat. And then I'm going to remind you how to do totals. If you do equals SUM, open parentheses, and you click and drag, and close parentheses. Remember, that's how you do totals. And then you can click and drag to the right and get totals like that. So if I had already filled in everything and I was trying to figure out what percent I had fat, I could say equals the fat, the calories coming from fat, so that's this, the total, divided by the total calories, which is this. So in this situation, only 24 are coming from fat. Protein, at the moment, if I do protein, it's this one divided by this one. And carbs is this one. Okay, so you can tell I'm a little bit reversed. I'm getting too many calories at this point from carbs and not enough from fat. So then you can figure you got to get some other things to change those values in here and to make those percents different. So hopefully that helps. So it'll get you started. I will give you more instruction in the upcoming classes.